Hello, it's great to introduce one of our most popular products named Red Ginseng Active-R. It's an extract from red ginseng, which is a processed Panax ginseng. Red ginseng has been used for thousands of years as one of the representative medicinal herbs in traditional Korean medicine. In traditional Oriental medicine, red ginseng is used for many purposes, including promoting yang energy, improving circulation, and restoring balance and strength. Panax ginseng is known for possessing various pharmacological properties such as anti-diabetic, anti-carcinogenic, and anti-aging actions. One of Panax ginseng's main components are ginsenosides containing triterpene saponins, which are biologically active compounds with anti-inflammatory and anti-wrinkle activities. Korean ginseng is so popular that 38 types of saponins have been found, which is much higher than American and Chinese ginseng. Especially ginsenoside or X types of saponins are well reported to have many effective bioactivities. The name of red ginseng comes from its color after the special preservation methods, which are being steamed and sun-dried. When you dry the fresh ginseng, it becomes white ginseng, which is called insam in Korean. However, to make red ginseng, the fresh ginseng needs to be processed by steaming and drying several times. After these repetitive process, ginseng changes. Not only has its color been changed, but the radical scavenging activity and active ingredients have also increased. Now, we'll see the superiority of red ginseng compared to white ginseng more analytically. As you can see here, red ginseng contains more various ginsenosides because the active compounds in ginseng are transformed into ginsenosides during the steaming and drying process. We undertook several tests for our red ginseng Active-R to convince its value as a cosmetics ingredient. First, we analyzed ginsenoside content and revealed antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-wrinkle, and energy-boosting effects by in vitro and in vivo tests. We have found 6 unique ginsenosides from red ginseng Active-R: RG1, RE, RB1, RC, RB2, and RG3. As you may already know well, reactive oxygen species, in short ROS, causes skin aging and inflammation, so it is important to inhibit it. Red ginseng Active-R demonstrated antioxidant effect by showing DPPH scavenging activity and inhibiting reactive oxygen species generation. Generally, inflammation is a sign that our immune system is properly operating to protect our body from outside stimulations. However, if it overreacts, due to the symptoms of inflammations like redness, swelling, heat, and pain, the skin can be damaged. Inflammations are caused through the mechanism. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule with immunomodulatory properties. Macrophages are important cells in inflammatory responses and have been shown to produce NO through the inducible nitric oxide synthesis pathway in response to inflammatory stimulus. The inhibition of expression or enzyme activity of IMOS have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Red ginseng Active-R showed 32% of NO synthesis inhibition activity by applying 2% in the macrophages. When we get old, skin gets old too. Skin aging is noted by a decrease of elasticity, degradation of collagen, which cause wrinkles and fine lines. Therefore, to prevent skin aging, we need to inhibit the collagen and elastin degradations. Through a collagen synthesis test assay, red ginseng Active-R showed 37% increase in collagen synthesis in the cell test. The anti-wrinkle effect is verified by the clinical test as well. In the test, 21 female subjects applied the cream, which is containing 2% of red ginseng Active-R, and placebo cream on each side of canthus and nasolabial folds for 8 weeks. After the test, the area where the subjects applied red ginseng Active-R containing creme showed a remarkable total wrinkle difference compared to 8 weeks ago. The main purpose of cell respiration is an ATP generation. ATP is a kind of fuel of cell activity. Normally, cell respiration requires oxygen in the citric acid cycle and the electron transport chain, but the rest of the oxygen can be potent ROS and cause oxidation in the cells. So, the ATP generation activity is vital for the anti-aging effect on our skin. In general, younger skin makes more ATP and less ROS. Citrate synthesis, which is CS in short, can accelerate the citric acid cycle at a step of cellular respiration. 2% red ginseng Active-R showed 25% higher CS activity. Most ATP is generated through the electron transport chain, which is ETC in the short. There is a high-energy electron flow along with the ETC, which drives the ultimate ATP production. The ETC comprises 5 complexes, and complex 2 is linked with citric acid cycle by dehydrogenation of succinate. It derives the electrons from FADH2 and then transfers the electrons to complex 3. As a test result, red ginseng Active-R showed 57% complex to enzyme activity. It also relatively increased by 84% and 95% for SDHA and SDHB. Thank you for listening.